fuck with that. Bitch, she tryna show me titties, bitch, I need a dub stay. Give me another 20, another 50, I'ma fuck with that. And I ain't tryna fuck with no broke hoe, like she can't come back. Bitch, and that was them old times, would've got them tell my kids that. That bitch gon' run for me, she gon' always bring her shit back. Like, who you think you trippin', bitch, you ain't never ever did that. I remember that one time them boys was tryna get they shit back. Like, who y'all think y'all get, nigga? I am not Blues Clueless, she said I'm old, so never fall. So like, why y'all look stupid? My man's looking at you, bitch, don't diffuse the movement. Bitch, the way I thug walk. I love it, bitch, that's what I'm. Always been the one to stand out like a go-to. They talking till they pillow late night, cause they some hoes do. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but stay comfortable. Every house got 4 walls, give a fuck, I just walk through. Just SBK in the room, and boom, see what I came through.
I said they tellin' true stories, but it's getting low. Niggas weak up over there, they fall like dominoes. I got some hoes who tryna hang, I ain't got time for those.
No time for that.
But you know they can't resist with all this drip I'm on. I'm the hardest in the room, somebody prove me wrong. And I ain't gotta prove shit, mom said it's set in stone. Money falling on my lap because I'm on the roll. Pick and choose between these hoes, you niggas gotta go. Why this nigga think he bold because he got a pole? Steady telling me to chill with bitch, I'm way too cold.
Ayy, I've been out here setting vibes, I create the tone. Niggas talking, boy, you really long. Yeah, my money, yeah, that shit been long. Boy, you fucking up and boy, you turn to ghost. Send that boy motherfucking home. Ayy, what the fuck I'm doing, what I'm really on. Got y'all niggas wondering where the fuck we on. Ayy, like what's this fucking song? Niggas out here losing, yeah, we grooving on this fucking hoes. Ooh, yeah, we from the coast. When y'all losing, y'all ain't really on.